At the intersection of two beautiful rivers, the Rainbow River and the Withlacoochee River, lies a town called Dunnellon, Florida. And within that town is a very historic and very beautiful house called Grumbles house. It was built in the early 1900s and is now turned into a very unique antique store that I'm sure you will be very impressed with. Here you can see the beautiful historic two-story Grumbles house coming into view. There's so many unique shopping opportunities here, and even a great place to eat. The owners have recently added solar, which runs most of their business now, along with their nursery, which is also run off the solar.